Hi, I'm Monique Bradley.
And I'm Pete Ward from Yourfix Communications.
So at the beginning of this year, we issued ourselves a challenge, which is to create 30 video content pieces in 30 days. And today's topic, Pete, is all about?
Video.
Ah, yeah.
Why or what is it about video that you should be thinking about using for your business?
It's a really good point. Like for us, it's been about reach and helping our clients get themselves out there. And in the last 3 years, we've actually reached over 150 million people worldwide. So that's pretty massive. It's more than our population, right?
It is.
So, Pete, what's the most important thing for you when it comes to creating video content or thinking about doing some sort of video?
Okay, so there's lots of types of videos you can do. You can do tips and tricks videos, you can do tutorial videos, you can do product videos, you can do brand story videos. There's all sorts of things. You can do drone videos for some reason.
Testimonials.
Whatever it is, testimonial videos. There's so many things. But the one thing I always start with is the strategy behind what you actually want to achieve with the video. What are you actually doing it for? Who are you trying to reach? What message are you trying to get out there to them and why? And so always start from that, in my opinion, and work backwards before you even turn the camera on. Know exactly the reason you're making the video, and then hopefully that will help you to make an easier transition through the video, because you always remember what you're trying to do and what you're trying to achieve.
That's a really, really good point. I think for me, when it comes to video, like my background is film and television, and it was always about brand awareness and reaching as many people as possible. But if you think about it, if you're going to share, say, the video into a platform like LinkedIn, what you're really doing is, especially if you're in a service-based business or you, like me, are your product that you're essentially selling, it's a way for people, the end user, to watch that content and think, whoa, how do I feel about that person and their personality? Do I gel with them? Because when you're working on a project, you're working in close proximity and you need to know that the vibe is right, that you're going to get on. So that would probably be one of the reasons for me talking to other business people about why you might want to do your own brand video about you, essentially. What do you think of that?
Yeah, great tip.
Oh, thanks, Pete.
Yeah,
thanks.
Yes, excellent.
So we're starting our 30-day challenge right now.
Yeah.
And we want to know, are you guys up for the challenge too? Because we'd love to see more video content and tips from you guys. Is that right, Pete?
Absolutely. So yeah, look out for more. Awesome. We'll see you guys next time.